Hello everyone, now I am going to tell how to join multiple tables in SQL. To illustrate joining multiple tables, let's create three tables: order items and product. Here's the SQL code to create these tables along with sample data. Now I am going to show you how to create. For that, first I am going to create table orders order ID int primary key and order date customer ID int. Next we are going to create a table. Create table order items. Item ID int primary key. Next order ID int product ID int quantity int, and here I am going to use foreign key. Order ID and reference is orders order ID. Next I am going to create another table. Products. Here product ID int primary key. Product name varchar 50. And price decimal 10,2. If I run this, we have created three tables. Now I will add values to it. I'm going to give insert into orders order ID order date customer ID and values for values 1, 2024, 04, 01. Customer ID is 101. 2, 2024, 04, 02. 102, 3, 2024, 04, 03, 103. Next, I am going to create another table for order items. Items, one is item ID, order ID, product ID, and quantity. Item ID, order ID, product ID, and quantity, and values 1 comma 1 comma not 1 comma 2 quantity, 2 comma 1 comma 1 not 2 comma 3, 2 comma 1 not 3 comma 1, 4 comma 3 comma 1 not 4 comma 4. Next we are going to create another table for products, product ID, product name, and price, and values as 101, product A, comma 10.50, product 102, product B, comma 15.75, 103, product C, comma 20.00, and 104, product D, comma 8.99. If I run this, we are inserted the order into the table. Now we are going to joining multiple tables in SQL. Joining multiple tables in MySQL allows you to retrieve data from more than two tables simultaneously, enabling you to access related data across multiple tables in a single query. You can achieve this by chaining multiple join operations together using the appropriate join condition. Let's explore an example. Suppose you have three tables: orders, order item, and product. The order table containing information about order items table contains details of item within each other. The product table contains information about the products. Now I will show you how to join three tables. I am going to use select O of order ID, comma O of O dot order date, OI dot quantity comma p dot product name from orders O. From orders O, join order items OI on O dot order ID equal to OI dot order ID. Next, join products P on OI dot product ID equal to P dot product ID. If I click this, see three tables have been joined. We are retrieving data from three tables: order, items, and product. We are using two join operations. The first join operation joins the order table with the order items table based on order ID column. The second join create operation joins the result of the first join within the products table based on product ID column. The select clause specifies the column we want to retrieve from the combined result set: order ID, order date from the order table, quantity from order items tables, and product name from the product table. By joining multiple tables, we can fetch data that is spread across different tables and combine it within into a single result set. This allows for more comprehensive analysis and reporting, especially when dealing with relational databases with complex data structure. Thank you.